In the last video, we talked about includes, and I actually went over most of the functionality behind indexOf. However, I'm going to mention it again in its own separate video for anyone who happens to be searching for specifically indexOf. I'd also recommend you go look at the video for includes, because that's actually quite interesting, and there's a situation where the two are can be used in a similar way. IndexOf takes the value that you provide and it looks for it inside of your array and sees whether it exists there, and then if it does, it gives you back the index at the position where it found it. I'm going to make sure I have Krogo running, and we can see this is colors.indexOf blue. The index is 1, so right here 0, 1, 2, so this is the index 1. And this other one says a color of index yellow. Well, yellow doesn't exist inside of our array, so when a element does not exist in the array, indexOf will return -1, which just says it couldn't find it. It's out of range. And then this last example, let's look for blue again, but we can also pass in a second parameter to index the same way we could with includes. And the second parameter says start searching our array starting from this index. So index 2 here is 0, 1, 2 is green. It'll look for everything from green onward, but since green's at the end and green isn't equal to blue, it couldn't find it, so we return -1. However, if we change this to 1, now we'll start searching at index 1, which is blue, and we find it, and so it returns that index.